Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate another project and it's a voice search assistant project. I'll also share my GitHub link in the description for the source code. So let's get started. This is our app and this app will search the most relevant web pages according to your queries. First you need to on it and say your queries. It will search for your queries.
Hey there, welcome to Voice Search Assistant. Say your queries, I'm listening.
Location of select.
Your search results are successfully completed.
As you can see, it's opened most relevant pages of select. You can also see your query details here. I will set it to Bangla and say another query.
Hey there, welcome to Voice Search Assistant. Say your queries, I'm listening.
সিলেট কোথায় অবস্থিত?
Your search results are successfully completed.
As you can see, it's also opened relevant pages of select. You can also see your history. You can delete your history, download. You can also search your history. Now we will see the source code of this project. Here is the main.py file. In this file, I combined all the files together. Also, I imported different Python modules, and I also share the modules in the description so that you can find more details, informations. This file recognizes speech using Python module speech recognitions. Google search.py file contains Google search and web browser module for searching and opening links in your browser. For database, I have used SQLite 3 Python module, and text to speech conversion I have used GTTS module for conversion. That's all for this part. If you found this video helpful, please give a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.